Welcome. I'm Oleg, the CEO and founder of if.team. Today I'm excited to give you a tour of our platform and demonstrate how if.team can become the central nervous system for your business. It's the all-in-one solution designed to streamline your operations and drive growth. Our product integrates the most crucial elements of business management into a single, cohesive platform. We've combined project and task management, time tracking, comprehensive financial management, team and HR functions, a centralized client database, and built-in communication tools, including a full-featured CRM. Let's begin with project management. As you can see on my screen, I have a list of all ongoing projects. For any given project, you can instantly access all the essential operational data: who is on the team, who the project manager is, and all the associated tasks and timelines. But if.team goes deeper. Alongside the operational view, you can manage the complete financial picture of the project. This includes the total cost to the client, a breakdown of planned versus completed payments, and a real-time comparison of estimated and actual labor expenses. This allows you to see both your projected and actual project profitability at any moment. All of this financial data is visualized in a dynamic budget roll-up chart. This chart is incredibly useful for understanding your current budget status, identifying your break-even point, and forecasting your financial trajectory for the project. Diving deeper into project financials, we have transactions. As you would expect from a professional financial service, all transactions can be categorized, assigned different statuses, and linked to specific accounts. You can manage every transaction related to a project right from this screen. For larger, more complex initiatives, a project can be segmented into what we call iterations. You might know them by other names like project stages, epics, or milestones, depending on your company's workflow. The key here is that each iteration can be planned and budgeted for independently. You can allocate specific hours and financial resources to each stage, and then manage the financial performance of that stage separately, giving you granular control over your project's progress. Within each project or iteration, you'll find a robust task manager that will feel familiar to anyone who has used tools like Jira or Asana. Each task holds all the essential information: assignees, responsibilities, deadlines, planned versus actual hours, and a dedicated comment thread for all related communication. This links directly to our time tracking feature, which is where the system's power truly shines. When your employees track their work time on specific tasks, the system doesn't just log the hours. Because every employee has an associated cost rate, the system automatically calculates the exact labor cost being spent on that task, and, by extension, the entire project. This functionality allows you to analyze project progress not just in terms of time, but also in terms of real money spent. This gives you a minute-by-minute understanding of your project's financial health. Time tracking is flexible. Your team can use the built-in real-time tracker with a simple start and stop button. Alternatively, if real-time tracking isn't practical, employees can log their hours retrospectively. We have a dedicated time reporting screen where they can quickly submit their daily or weekly timesheets, detailing the tasks worked on and the hours spent, all in just a minute or two. To help you manage your workflow, tasks can be viewed in several different ways. You can use a visual Kanban board, a timeline-based Gantt chart, or a straightforward list view, whatever best suits your management style. Now, let's zoom out from individual projects to the company's overall financial health. Our financial module provides classic, easy-to-understand reports like cash flow and P&L. On this screen, you can also view your balance by account and your total company balance. To eliminate manual data entry and reduce errors, these accounts can be integrated directly with your bank accounts or online payment systems. Here, you can also analyze your expense structure, generate custom reports, and perform financial reconciliations with your counterparties. The financial module also streamlines payroll. It enables you to process salary payments for any period, automatically taking into account all relevant factors, including non-working days, such as approved vacations and sick leave. Vacation accounting is a core part of our HR toolkit. Speaking of which, let's look at team management. This module is designed to help you effectively coordinate your team and manage their workload. First, as I just mentioned, managers can approve leave requests and employees can submit them. You can easily set official holidays or log sick leave for anyone on the team. Second, this screen provides a powerful dashboard for analyzing employee workload. And third, on this specific tab, you can actively plan and balance the workload across your entire team. The system automatically schedules tasks, taking into account each person's available hours, existing tasks, and other duties. if.team also helps you maintain a comprehensive database of all your contractors and clients, whether they are individuals or companies. You can manage their contact information, perform financial reconciliations, see all their associated projects, and much more, all from one central location. Beyond managing existing clients, if.team helps you win new clients with our built-in CRM tool. Here you can manage your entire sales pipeline. For each lead, you can store client information, schedule follow-up events, and log every interaction, from calls to meetings. You can track the complete history of a lead as it moves through your sales process. And here's the best part. When a lead is successfully converted, you can transform it into a new project in just a few clicks, carrying over all the relevant data seamlessly into the project management module. For effective collaboration, the system features various chat options. These include company-wide channels for announcements, dedicated project channels for focused discussions, and, of course, private one-on-one messaging. Employees can also set up custom notifications for important system events to stay informed. A common question we get is about access control. In if.team, you can create an unlimited number of user rules, each with its own specific set of permissions. This highly flexible functionality allows you to fine-tune access levels for different employees or entire departments. You can control exactly who sees critical data related to finances, clients, or specific projects. This ensures that each employee has access only to what is essential for their role, protecting sensitive information while empowering them to perform their duties efficiently. That was a high-level overview of the key modules within if.team. I hope it gives you a clear picture of how our integrated approach can benefit your company. I would be delighted to schedule a personalized demo to explore how these features can be tailored to your specific business needs. We can walk through your company's unique workflows and see how if.team can help you optimize them. Furthermore, we understand that every business is unique. That's why we have a dedicated team ready to discuss custom features, new integrations, and any specific modifications your company might need. It is entirely possible to adapt the platform for you. Thank you for your time and attention. I am ready to answer any questions you may have. I look forward to connecting with you. Have a wonderful day.